Hey Caps, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I did start your reading, but for some reason the reading didn't. It just stopped. Okay, so I have the cards out. Okay, so we're going to start from where I stopped. Okay, so the overall energy I do see is the Ten of Wands here for the person that you're dealing with. I feel you're dealing with someone here who's keeping an eye on you. Okay, this person could have been very burdened right now. Okay, burdened with responsibilities, burdened with stress, anxiety, or there's just something that they're very close to ending. Okay, could be a cycle that they're ending, could be some, for some of you this person could be in a burdensome relationship, or this person just could be in a lot of responsibilities, okay, that are not theirs to carry, but they just got to do what they got to do. Okay, I feel this person stalks you, they keep an eye on you. Okay, for sure. A lot of online research out here, could be asking around friends, common friends out here about what you're doing, but they're definitely keeping an eye on you. Whether you block them, not block them, this is what they are doing. You, on the other hand, here you've blocked their ass out. All right, very focused on your career, very focused on your goals. You do feel left out by this person out here, but it's like you have no choice but to walk away from this person here because this person made you feel so lonely and left out. Okay, you are choosing to move forward here from something that was very, very toxic. Okay, commitment could have been a big issue between you guys. Okay, this person probably made the wrong choice out here, or they just chose not to give you a deeper commitment out here. For a lot of you, I'm getting here that you couldn't just gather that willingness, okay, to move forward, but then it's like something tells you, like, you know what, this is what the right direction is, and the universe helped you in moving forward here. Now, how this person views this connection, this person views you first of all as marriage material. Now, if you're already married, then this person sees you as someone who they want to be with in this marriage out here. If you're not married, then this person here definitely wants long term with you. They see you as abundant. You're very attractive to them because you realize your self-worth, your value, you're taking care of yourself, your well-being, and there's this self-realization here. So I feel that right now you could be giving this person the cold shoulder, and all your focus is on you, taking care of yourself, taking care of your looks, taking care of your health, be it whatever. You could be opening up to a lot of options. Okay, and they see you probably as having a lot of options here, or now they have a lot of wishful thinking about you. Now, all this person does is thinks about you all day, you know, but this is wishful thinking, right? So it's more like this person, if they had options, they're narrowing down their options. And if this person is very confused about which road to take towards you, I feel they're definitely going to get their shit together and they're going to move towards you. This is the energy of someone who probably, for a few of you, this person could be long distance. Okay, then they travel towards you here. Okay, they want to travel towards you because you are their goal, their destination here. For the rest of you, this person here is gathering the strength, the courage, and that persistent, consistent energy, okay, to come towards you. And they want to take a brand new beginning with you. They want a reconciliation with you. Okay, they've probably deeply contemplated on what they want with you, and they do want to eventually come towards you. Okay, after thinking about it a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. So the love is there from this person's side for sure. Okay, but they're emotionally stuck. Could have been because they have trust issues, or they just don't feel it's wise enough for them to open up about how they feel. How does Capricorn view this person? No, how does Capricorn view themselves in this connection? How does Capricorn view themselves in this connection? Ooh, wow. Cabs, you're over and done with this person out here. Uh, So you do feel backstabbed, betrayed, cheated, lied to, okay, by this person. There was something that ended very badly between you both here, and you chose to move forward. Okay, you just chose to turn your back to this situation here because you could be dealing with someone very sneaky, or you just were dealing with someone who probably was playing mind games. Take it how it resonates. But you do feel that something's over between you both. Okay, I feel you're cutting this person out. Okay, for a lot of you, you could have cut this person out of your life. Okay, because you got clarity, or you just have clarity, you're being very analytical, very logical, and you're choosing to look at the future instead of being stuck in the past with this person. I feel for a lot of you, you're cutting cords with this person. Okay, for a few of you, you could be even thinking of divorcing someone here. For the rest of you, you're just choosing to make a very balanced, logical decision out here. Okay, a decision here which probably has been like, it's been like long, but you're choosing to stay very fair. And I think there's a very big important firm decision that you want to make. Okay, and you're going to implement it, by the way, is what I'm getting here. For few of you, you just feel you're coming out of a very toxic marriage or a toxic relationship out here, but you could definitely be, I'm getting here, divorcing someone. Okay, for the rest of you I feel you're just cutting cords with someone here who was cheating, lying, or whatever. But I feel with the tower here, this is going to it's like a huge realization that you've had. um, you you know, the tower is like in two ways. Sometimes the tower comes in between two people, where two people were building a foundation, you know, building a relationship on a very faulty foundation, on a crooked foundation, or a foundation that was built on lies. And for the rest of you, a lot of you are realizing that this was something that was a big lie, none of this was real, or you just realize, or there's been some truth or some aha moment that you've had, and now you're like, you know what, I'm going to rebuild, okay, on my own without this person here, because things have clearly ended between you both, and you walked away. You didn't want to, but with a heavy heart you just got to do it. What does this person feel deep down for Capricorn? What is this person? You know, this person's coming towards you and you're just like in that energy of like, fuck off. I feel for a lot of you, this person has no fucking idea that you're moving on. They have no idea that you're just like done. What does this person feel for Capricorn? What does this person feel for Capricorn? Now they want to communicate, huh? Now they want to make a choice, huh? Great. So yes, they do feel very left out in the cold by you, okay? They feel you've abandoned them, good for them. They feel you've isolated them, you're giving them the cold shoulder. This person's coming off as very codependent, Capricorn, okay? So if you have got out of their life, okay, for a lot of you, I'm getting someone here who constantly, I want to say hooks, no, this person constantly tries to attach themselves to someone else, okay, because that's a very heavy codependent energy. I'm getting someone here who does not want to commit, but they still want someone who makes them feel like they're their own, okay, so they want to eat that cake and have it too, basically, okay. They want you to pull them out of the rut here because they feel very lonely, they feel victimized, all right. Now they have a lot of love for you, they want to come sweep you off your feet, they want to be expressive, they're gathering the courage to come tell you how much they love you out here, okay. Very dreamy person out here, where all of a sudden they're dreaming and now they're like, oh my god, I want Capricorn, and they want to balance things out with you. If you want marriage with this person here, this person is choosing to wanting to marry you here, coming out with an offer here, an opportunity here. If you are already married, this person wants to stay with you in that marriage, okay. And for the rest of you, they want to balance the scales. Like I said, if there was an equal give, if there was an imbalance in the situation in the past year, they're coming in with communication here, trying to right a wrong, okay. I feel this person could have kept you on a crossroads for a very long time, okay, but now they're choosing to come in and make a bold decision, okay. They're very confident, they've planned, and they're ready to make a choice, and they've been longing for you, okay. They've been watching you from a long distance here, but they've been longing to be with you here, okay. What does Capricorn feel deep down for this person? What does Capricorn feel deep down for this person? What does Capricorn feel deep down for this person? Okay. So, I do feel, Capricorn, for a lot of you, I feel you're still watching this person. I'm not gonna lie. I do have the Page of Swords as your overall feelings. You could be chatting online with other people here, okay, but I feel you're still, you're almost ready to make a move forward, okay, ready to leave this situation is what I'm getting here, okay, almost ready here, but you still have a lot of love for this person here. You still do. There is a lot of emotional attachment. You both are very attached to each other here, okay, and you could be still waiting for this person here, this slow coach, to come towards you and make you an offer. But for the rest of you, you're watching this person, keeping an eye on them, and still making up your mind like, you know what, no, that's fine, I'm just going to move forward here, okay. Just that, you know, that anxiety, a little bit of anxiety before, am I making the right decision, should I move on, should I move forward, just a little conflicted is what I'm getting. I feel you could be waiting with the Three of Wands here. Like I said, what's the Three of Wands? Yeah, there's been an ending here, right? So I feel that either you could be waiting for this person to come back towards you. I'm giving two scenarios. For the rest of you, I feel that you're just turning your back, okay? Maybe you're being overly optimistic also for a few of you, but you could be turning your back to the situation, okay, and just moving forward here. Yeah, you're moving away from this person here, and whatever you're doing it very sneakily. It's like this person who's coming towards you with so much determination and love, right? This person has no idea that you're not going to be around. Really, this person has no idea that you're not going to be around here. It's like you know that if this person comes in, I'm getting that you are uh, um, you could be playing games for a lot of you. I think you're playing games for this person also, is what I'm getting here. Maybe giving them a dose of a dose of their medicine. For others of you, I feel there is some hidden intentions that you have. Maybe to teach them a lesson. Maybe for a few of you, you're just moving towards something new, and this person feels that you're still waiting for them. What's the Seven of Swords? Yeah, you're being a control freak, right? You are putting your foot down, no compromise, but whatever you're doing, right? Your way of doing it is kind of very logical. You're not trusting your emotions this time. You don't want to trust your emotions this time. You just want to do something logical, and for you, the logical thing is just to walk away, okay? With a very heavy heart. What action will this person take towards Capricorn? What action will this person take towards Capricorn? What action will this person take towards Capricorn? Fuck, they love you so much, Capricorn, and you're just like, you're moving forward here. Okay. Yeah, see this person here. This is destined. This is a destined fated connection, Caps. You can't really do much about it. This person here, with their actions here, I feel that they feel a very strong, very, very strong twin flame connection with you, okay? I feel for a lot of you here, this person here is making a choice. For some of you, this person is making a choice to commit to you, because I do see the Hierophant and the Wheel of Fortune here, okay? So if you wanted commitment with this person out here, this person has clarity about the situation, no second guessing, and they're coming towards you either after leaving a third party situation or after leaving something that was already a big burden on them, okay? Whatever, take it how it resonates. There is a karmic situation this person's stuck in, okay? They're choosing to come towards you, all right? Because probably you're the one that they want and no one compares to you. Even if they tried to be with someone else here, they still couldn't get what they got when they were with you, okay? Now this person here is making a choice. They're on the verge of making a decision here, okay? So I feel that there could still be some time here before they completely jump in towards you and give you what you want here. But this person is on the verge of making a life-changing significant decision, okay? A decision where probably, I mean, they never even expected that they would be doing this, okay? Very passionate about you. You're the one that they desire. They see you as badass, beautiful, bold, amazing, someone who's just doing you, but they're ready to take action, choosing to come towards you, but they see you in a very confident state of mind, and they also have become a little confident, okay, in wanting to pursue here. Nine of Cups here. This person sees you as their wish fulfillment. You're the one that they want. Okay. No one makes them as happy as you do. What action will Capricorn take towards this person? Oh my God, Capricorn, please don't leave. What action will Capricorn take towards this person? What action will Capricorn take towards this person? Okay. Okay. That's a very weird outcome. Okay. So I do feel Capricorn. I do feel here you're putting your foot down. I feel you are in that energy where, you know what, a no means a no. You're getting out of that energy where you have been manifesting a lot of negative thoughts into reality. You've been stressing a lot. You've been having sleepless nights, insomnia, and obsessively thinking about what this person is going to do. Are they going to reach out? Is it going to move forward? You've been in that energy for a very long time, but now you see the light at the end of the tunnel, and the light is the emperor here. So what you're doing is you're getting up those boundaries, okay? Making you're putting up high boundaries, healthy boundaries out here in a way where, you know what, you stay away from me. Yeah, I don't think you're ready to compromise. There is going to be no flexibility coming from your side. I feel there is some kind of firm, practical, logical decision that Capricorn you want to make. While this person made you wait, Capricorn, in your actions here, while you waited for this person here, what damage this person did is that while making you wait, they were making you realize a lot of things. There was a lot of spiritual guidance that you were getting while waiting for this person to come towards you. So what I feel here is that while you were waiting, while this person kept you stuck, you were changing your perspective about this relationship. You were changing your perspective about the way you think about this person, the way you think about this connection, your approach to this connection. And I think you no longer want to wait. I feel here that if you have controlled your emotions to the core, okay? I feel you're being very, very balanced in your emotions here. You're controlling No, even if you love this person, that's fine. Even if you love this person here, even though you do love them to the moon and back, a lot of deep love out here, you're just choosing not to invest in this person and choosing to invest somewhere else. Could be a new person that you're dealing with, okay, with the King of Cups here. There could be someone new who you're headed towards here. And for rest of you, you're just choosing to invest into probably a new start somewhere else. Could be a job, a small career, whatever it is, okay? But I don't see you waiting for this person. Yeah, because this person made you wait, and while making you wait, right, they probably thought that they were doing the right thing by making this sacrifice, but that sacrifice was just a waste of time. Okay, it was just a waste of time. This happens when you deal with someone who has a very one-sided perspective. They feel they're doing the right thing, but actually they did a lot of damage by putting this relationship on hold for such a long time. Okay, I mean, okay, what is the immediate future for Capricorn and the person they're dealing with? Immediate future for Capricorn and the person they're dealing with. One more card. Okay. This person here is going to come towards you expressing how they really, really feel. They love you. They're going to sweep you off your feet. They're going to tell you how much they love you. There's an offer, there's an opportunity here, probably even a proposal here of a brand new beginning here. Okay, something very stable, very solid, very committed. Okay, it's small, but at least it's something which is tangible. Okay, something very practical. I feel this communication is going to come in towards you. Okay, but it's just going to cause even more stress here, and you're just going to leave. Yeah, it's just going to leave you feel, you're just either you're going to feel, so the communication comes in, but either you're going to feel it's too much of a burden and stress and you're just ready to end it. You were almost there. Look, the 10 of wands here, you're almost there, right? So you were almost there anyways, right? So I feel this person here comes in, they communicate, you feel relieved. Okay, maybe there's this sense of relief. Okay, where okay, like finally they reached out, right? But when they reach out, it's going to be like you were almost waiting for that communication from this person. Like, is this person ever going to communicate before I give up? And that's what they do. They communicate with you, and I think you choose to leave them out in the cold here. You choose to walk away because you just feel it's a relationship that's never going to fulfill you, or a relationship where you're always going to feel lonely, right? You feel this person is never going to be on the same page with you. So yeah, they're going to come in for sure. They are, but you're just, I don't know. I think you're quite done with this because this person puts you on hold for a very long time. Okay, you could have almost built like an entire life on your own without them, waiting for them. But it was very destined. It is very destined and fated that this person comes in with commitment here, or at least give you something long term. But it's gonna be up to you, Capricorn. It's free will. All right. All that's happening here, it's free will, by the way. Okay. So you can choose to stay. You can choose to go. Okay. Bye bye.